What's up? So a little update here. I have completed the turbo kit. I've got all the piping ran, intercooler mounted, Huron speed, had these brackets that came with the kit, mounted the intercooler really nice, tucked it up. The piping was pretty easy. It's only 3 pieces. This piece from the turbo, it goes from the turbo over to the intercooler. Then from the intercooler, we've got this corner piece right here, blow off valve attached to it. Then like a 45-degree elbow. That was kind of the weird piece right here. It put everything at a kind of a weird angle where coming up through this, like I'm touching, I think it'll be fine. But yep, then it just elbows into the throttle body there. This right here, the fuse box had to come out just to be able to get some room right there to run that pipe. Also had to flip it over anyways to get to the bottom of this side right here. That one's got our fan relays that I'm using as my triggers. So there's a green and a blue wire. You can see where I cut them right there. And then I'm using the other side as my triggers for my Racetronics. All the relays. It's a dual speed fan relay kit, so it just hooks 2 wires to the triggers, and then it has 3 relays, 3 fuses. It runs to some nice connectors right here for the fans, and then it continues on right here to a ground. And so that'll hook up to my pusher fans. I'll have to get the connectors here and hook those plugs up to my fans so that the fans will just plug right up to this. Pretty nice little kit right there. I got the dual speed one because this factory comes with dual speed fans. So might as well just keep it like that. So piping's all done, like I said. Also got the AC compressor in. So this is a big pain in the ass. Not sure how you should do this because I don't know, but the hot pipe, that pipe right there that goes from the manifold to the crossover pipe right here, that pipe was in the way. So getting the compressor in there was a real pain. I ended up loosening up that pipe, moving it out the way, taking the lines off the compressor, feeding the compressor up from the bottom, bolting it up, somehow fishing the lines from the bottom. You've got to put that line on that side and that line on this side, and then feed it all up. They're pretty close to the downpipe here. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to kind of bend them, shield them from that a little bit, but that's back on there. So I'm glad I got that knocked out because that was a pretty big pain in the butt. Other than that, that's all I've really done today. It's getting cold out now, next week and whatnot. It's going to be harder to get out here and force myself to work on it, but I'm going to have to. I think my next step now is going to be bolting the K-member up, really. Getting the K-member up there, getting the engine back mounted to the car, and then that way, yeah, I'll be able to take this engine brace off, go ahead and put my injectors in there. My fuel pump comes Friday, so I'll start on that, kind of move away from the front of the car, back to the back of the car, and get that all buttoned up. But yeah, that's about it right now. Glad I got a good bit done today. But yeah, that's it for today.